Sanibona eSouth Africa. Sanibona eSouth Africa. Ngithemba ukuthi niyaphila. Nibingelela umdidiyelo wamabutho lapha kwaNongoma kwaMandlakazi. Umfoka ndabandaba, umfoka wamgqumuza impilo yakhe efuza umfazi womthetho kazimisa amadolo nje uyabona nihlela amadoda. Bathi kusuka egolela kuze koshaya kwampukunyoni umshini uhamba ugaya izibozi kwanocation. Kanti phela mina nginezibongo ezintsha emva kokuhlanganyelwa izinsizwa. Emva kokuhlanganyelwa izinsizwa. Mina ngumhosha odunga ulwandle. Ibongo zami ezintsha umhosha odunga ulwandle. Cha kule ndaba kaMini Dlamini le ntombazane engahloniphi. Yabo le ntombazane uthi uMini Dlamini eyake yathandana noItumele Ngikhune ayihloniphi le ntombazane. Okay. Ayihloniphi le ntombazane. Lo mfana omncane lo Mac G, you can even call me on your show. I will come and say this in person. Whatever I'm going to say in this video, I will come and say it in person. We are tired of women ganging up against men when men tell the truth. When men tell the truth, the man is wrong. When a woman says lies about the man, the woman is right. Inonsense leyo, umbhedo leyo nto leyo. Izwe lakwaZulu aliphathwa ngabafazi. Alisoze izwe lakwaZulu laphathwa abafazi. That's why yonke into esiyenzayo thina to protect abantu besifazane. Imithetho yakwaZulu yayishawa to protect abantu besifazane, not to undermine abantu besifazane. But if umuntu wesifazane goes out of their way to disrespect indoda, then that woman puts herself or exposes herself as a man. Then we are going to address you as a man. Ningabo senze ilima lapha thina asiyena phela ugovernment thina olwela amavoti asilweli amavoti thina sikhuluma iqiniso ngoba linjalo. Le ntombazana le kuthi uMini Dlamini yena uMac G lo qobo yake yathi ungumdlwenguli lathula izwe. Uyezwa lathula izwe lathi du. Siyayazi leyo nto siyamlandela uMac G siyabalandela bonke osaziwayo bethu kwayona siyayilandela le ntombazana. Uyabona uMini Dlamini yabuya yazothi ukhune unepipe elincane. Ungasho kanjani ukuthi umuntu wesilisa unepipe elincane ungeyona itshitshi ungelona itshitshi? Usho kanjani ukuthi unepipe elincane lo muntu lo? Wazi ngani ukuthi amapipe fanele abe ho size bani? We Mac G bazokutolikela abazisizulu. Ngahlehli mfana iba negazi lomzulu ngahlehli. Sinenkinga njengamanje yama illegal immigrants la eSouth Africa. Parliament should only concentrate on that, not to Mac G. Leave Mac G alone. Kusho mina ke manje warrior commander. Mandifuna thina sishaya itoyi yokuthi uMac G hands off sizoyenza leyo nto leyo. Ningazosidakelwa nini. Imithetho yani yo iParliament lani lo laleli lizobiza uMac G ama pothole engaka emhlabeni. The accidents that are happening in this country, it's because of the the potholes. The accidents that are happening on the roads, it's because of the potholes and the construction that is happening on the roads that is going on infinitely. Bese kuthiwa uMac G uyabheda uMac G ngoba nakho ekhulume into ebuyisela ubebuyisela uMac G. If you poke me, I will poke you. So Mac G is right because whatever he said coming from me, umuntu that respects women and value women to the highest level. But if someone provokes you, you have a right to say anything to them. Mac G, don't apologize. She must apologize to you first before you apologize. She can prr off. She can prr off because she's wasting time. You can't say a man has got a small penis when you are not a virgin. You can't say a man. She said Itumele Ngikhune has got a small peepee when she had 5-10 men in her life before Itumele Ngikhune. And Itumele Ngikhune found out that this one is something else. and then the man left her and went about his way. So she got bitter and came back and said, Itumeleng Khune has a small penis. Itumeleng Khune is a man. Itumeleng Khune is a man that is his size. And he's got a family, he's happy, he's got kids, he's got everything. So you don't go out and say a man has got a small penis. Maybe the man doesn't have a small penis. Maybe the problem is your N1, where all the trucks and taxis and Ubers and Bolt and Taxify and whatever runs on. So, and then you're going to come back and say the man has got a small penis. No, not even one man in this world has got a small penis. Every man has got his penis. That is the size of a woman that is dignified. The size of a woman that has got one man. Every man is his size. Is never to be compared to anyone. Engasishaya isilungu ingwenya madoda niyangizwa kodwa ake nisho nithi ngasishaya isilungu ingwenya hallo Zondi Kaba ayibambe khona danke.